Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the financial part if you are a person planning to migrate to UAE for your healthcare category. So let me tell you, first of all, there are 3 different steps if you are pursuing for your license in order to get a license in the UAE. First of all, you need to do the data flow. Second thing, you need to clear the examination. So how much cost you need to have or how much money you should be having with you when you're planning for this. So let me tell you first of all, for the data flow processing, you must be having 1000 to 1200 AED, which is almost 23,000 to 30,000 INR if you're an Indian. Second thing, for exam booking, once you're done with the data flow, you will be booking for your exam through the Prometric test center. So there also you need to directly pay certain amount to the Prometric test center, which is also coming around 210-220 USD, which will also come something between 1000 to 1200 AED. So now it became altogether, or on an average we can say it is 2000 AED. Now third thing is, it's up to you whether you want to take it or not, but an option that you have to take a training, proper training from an authentic or from a specialized trainer who is actually into this field for several years, training the students and all. So there also have to pay a minimum of 1500 to 2000 or sometimes 1000, depends upon your specialty. You need to pay some amount. So altogether we can say that you should be having a minimum of 3000 AED with you, which almost comes around 60,000 to 70,000 or 75,000 with you for the whole process, including the training. You should be having that. So that's why I said it's up to you whether you want to go for a training from a trainer or you will be studying by yourself. If you have all the materials and all with you, then you can go for training by yourself. You can study by yourself. But if you are not confident, you still have some confusions what to study, what not to study and all, then of course you can go for a training from a coaching center or from a trainer through online, or directly you can go to a coaching center and take the training. So completely this is the course. First thing is for data flow 1000 to 1200 AED, and for the exam also you need to pay something between 1000 AED to 1200, which comes between 23 to 30,000 Indian rupees.